Yo, what is up? My name is Mark and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano install ang tinatawag nating Classpoint. So, we have here on our screen, ka-open ang ating browser. Type lang natin dito ang website na classpoint.io. So, dito makikita natin kagad yung free download or download now. All you have to do is to click on the free download and then tatanungin tayo ng information natin. Then, just click on download now. Or dito, sasabihin nyo din kung ano yung mga steps na gagawin natin para ma-install ang ating Classpoint sa ating computer. So, number 1 is to download. Ginawa na natin. The number 2, install and get the Classpoint working in your PowerPoint. Meron din siyang installation guide. You can click on that. And then, we have creating a free account. It's a quick and easy sign up right from within the PowerPoint. Okay? So, susundan lang natin. Ngayon, na-download na siya. Bilis-bilis niya. So, click lang natin itong open. Then, double click nyo lang. Once na double click nyo, lalabas itong screen na to. All you have to do is to click on I accept Inkno's license terms and condition. And then, hit on install. May magpa-pop up. Do you want to allow this application to make changes to your device? All you have to do is to click on yes. At maghahantay tayo. Depende po sa kung gaano kabilis yung ating laptop or computer. So, hintayin lang natin. And dito, may lalabas dito na the setup wizard will install Inkno Classpoint on your computer. Click next to continue or cancel to exit the setup wizard. So, wala tayong ibang option kundi pindutin ang next. Ayan. And then, just click on finish. Then, installation completed. Open the PowerPoint to start using the Classpoint. So, bubuksan natin or pipindutin natin ang ating PowerPoint. Ayan, we have PowerPoint Microsoft 365. And yun, nag-open na yung ating PowerPoint presentation. As you notice, dito sa ating PowerPoint presentation, merong na-add na tab. Okay? So, we have File, Home, Insert, Draw, Design, Transitions, Animation, Slideshow, Review, View, Recording, Add-ins, Help. And then, we have our Inkno Classpoint. So, pipindutin lang natin yung ating Classpoint or Inkno Classpoint. So, dito, makikita natin we have Sign Up. Pipindutin lamang natin yon. And then, lalabas ulit itong pop-up na to wherein we're going to fill out yung mga required fields. Please enter the 6 verification code sent to your email and then remember to check your spam folder kung hindi nyo makita yung 6-digit verification. And yun, makikita natin we have our Inkno Classpoint and this is our 6-digit code. So all you have to do is to copy. Buksan lang natin. Then balik tayo doon sa ating PowerPoint presentation. Then we're going to paste it here. And then just click on next. And then congratulations, your Classpoint account has been successfully set up. Then just click on sign in. Ayan. So wala pang laman to. Once na nag-sign in na tayo, no, lalabas na yung mga features niya such as the multiple choice, or we have pen 1, pen 2, pen 3, pen 4, pen 5, whiteboard, multiple choice, word, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, clinose ko lang yon. Back to you, Sir Mark, for the continuation of your discussion.